comes closer, just walk away from her, okay? I can't put it.
Bunny rabbits? Oh, they have rabbits. Rabbits too. The American bald eagle, turkey, vultures. This is awesome. Oh wow, he's a big guy. Awesome. Watch out for the wasps, guys.
Oh, there's bumblebees. Bumblebee.
Rabbit. This is awesome setup they have. Yeah, look at these big guys.
Look at the bumblebee.
Wow, be careful, guys.
They will sting you.
Oh, Gia, did you see this? Oh, he's sleeping. Oh, that's a big guy too. Look, great horned owl.
Ooh,
Oh, he's big.
that's cool.
Babe, the giant owl.
Oh, he's looking at me like.
Oh, wow. Look, he's about to move. He's about to move. Oh.
He's gonna come out here in a minute.
How is he feeling? He's okay? That's good. Well taken care of, too. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah,
He's the
yeah.
neighborhood one.
Yeah, Jay, I can see you doing this. You love this. Uh-oh.
You think it's a
Uh-oh.
laughing goal?
Uh-oh.
That's a laughing goal, right?
They love to make noises.
Look at him.
Oh,
What are you doing to me?
awesome. He's a big guy.
Bella.
Oh, Bella.
Neighborhood watch.
Oh, yes.
Oh, Bella's pooped.
She's huge.
He's the biggest. Bella just pooped. He's the
Oh, he
neighborhood.
pooped. Oh, where you came from?
Those crows are trying to attack the birds. Look at the cute old possum.
What a possum. They made this into like a home for them. Even a duck is in there.
Look at him, he's drinking water. Where's the old possum?
Oh, they're rare.
They're
They're very rare for Florida.
they're hunting birds.
Hunting birds, yeah.
They're birds of prey.
Nice. What's a fish crow? A fish crow?
It's a fish crow. That probably is fish, right?
Yeah.
What happened to him?
Oh, he's calling his buddies. He's so smart, he's calling around. He's calling them around and his friends just drop food for him. I see how they do it. And look, the hawk, he's right there in front of us. Wow. He's right there in front of us. That's awesome.
He does sound like a crow. I like crows. Crows are my favorite, but I like. Oh, I hear him. He's communicating